So guys, let's go to Canva and see what we have here, and I'm going to show you how you are going to create a wallpaper that you can use for your phone. So let us go straight into it. So this is the design I did. Let it load up so you can see the design I did for my family. So I'm going to go back here and show you. So you just have to download Canva on your Apple Store or your Play Store. From the menu, you are going to see brand, content planner, discover apps, smart mockups, trash, create item. So you go to templates, and from templates you are going to see so many other templates you can use in categories. So here you can see recommended you may like, inspired by that design, trending, new in Canva, whiteboard, Instagram logo, story, photo collage, down. So you have to go to phone wallpapers. So this is phone wallpaper. I will click on see all, and I'm going to see many other templates under phone wallpapers that I can use. So let's click on this one, this first one here. Yes, we have look alike of the ones I designed yesterday. So we just click here, replace, and put beautiful picture that you want to put in it. So click on upload. Then if you have uploads already, like I have uploads here, so I can decide to put the pictures I have here, and I can decide to put any other picture that I want in it. So I'm going to put picture from here, good, and I can decide to put another picture. So let me remove this, let me replace this. So you click on replace and upload file. So wherever folder you kept your picture, so you find it there and put your picture there. If you want to know how to create your folder, organize your folder appropriately, and build beautiful nice folders for yourself so that you can make it easy for you to find your picture, you can check my video on how to create folders for your pictures. So this is the first one. Then the second one, let's change, it's going to change to black and white because of the kind of template that we have. What you want to do now is to save it up. You click on this save by the right hand side up, then you download. Either you want to download the PNG, which is the highest form of format, then you click on download. So we have it, it's downloaded already. Under my gallery, AI gallery, under albums, I will see Canva. So this is the one I downloaded yesterday, and this is the one I just did now. And that is how you can create beautiful wallpaper for your family. If you like my video, you can subscribe and also share to your friends. Thank you.